Night falling heavy and slow, city breathing soft and low. Your shadow close, I feel your heat. Every step sinks with the beat. No plans written, no goodbye, just your eyes locking with mine. If the world fades when we dance, I don't need another chance. No promises in your tone, but your touch feels like home. Every second drifting by, telling me not to ask why. We don't need tomorrow. Tonight already feels complete. Every time your body pulls me closer, I forget the week. We don't need, oh, we don't need, we don't need, we don't need, we don't need, we don't need nothing waiting on the other side. If the sun never shows up, I'm still good right here tonight. Good right here tonight. Love drum knocking deep inside, like my heart when you arrive. Your waist moving slow and free, taking full control of me. Sweat and sound begin to blur. I don't know what's me or you. If this ends when daylight comes, let it end with us in tune. Hold the moment, let it breathe. Nothing else we need to be. No, no tomorrow, no regret. Just an hour we haven't left. We don't need tomorrow. Tonight already feels complete. We don't need, we don't need, don't need. We don't need, we don't need, no, we don't need, we don't need nothing waiting on the other side. If the sun never shows up, I'm still good right here tonight. Good right here tonight. Every time this Afrobeat roll, different face, different view, but I still feel you. I still feel you in the sound when the nights slow. everything down. Even when I say I'm through, I still feel you. I still feel you.
Warm Afrobeat bassline, soft percussion, emotional guitar melody, gentle on the same pads.
Africa crying through the drum. Oh, love never really gone. This sound, don't judge, don't lie. You just sit with me tonight. If loving you was my flaw, I accept it, that's my scar. I don't need you to stay, just needed you one more day.
Heart be louder than the street, memory dancing with the beat. No future, no rewind, just you living in my mind.
I still feel you worldwide, different cities, same inside. When the rhythm pull me through,
I still feel you.
I still feel you, let it ride. Every tear I never cried, even when I say I'm through.
I still feel you.
Yeah, still feel you. Afrobeat. I still feel you.
I still feel you.
Info with you.
I still feel you. Fast those speakers breathing slow. Floor still warm from hours ago. A shadow leaning on the wall, like he doesn't wanna fall. We've been moving all this time, lost the edge between your mind and mine. Every side feels oversaid, but the silence said best. No phones lining up our hands, no future we need to plan. If this moment breaks apart, let it break right where we are. Stay until the beat sleeps, till the room forgets our names. When the rhythm finally weakens, I still feel you the same. Stay until the beat sleeps. No more running from the night. If the sound fades into breathing, hold you through the quiet. Love from talking to my chest, heavy hit the soft confession. Sweat on skin, truth in your eyes. No more reasons left to hide. DJ looping one last time, like he knows what's on our mind. If this track don't ever end, I won't ask it when no end. Let the speakers fall apart, let the bass erase the dark. If tomorrow finds its way, let it wait outside the stay until the beat sleeps, till the lights give up the fight. Even when the crowd disappears, I'll still be right by your side. Stay until the beat sleeps, when the night forgets to breathe. If the music leaves us naked,
shadow move. City breathing in the dark, neon signs, quiet hearts. Every face got something hit, every smile something slip. Slow steps on the concrete floor, bass knock like a warning call. Eyes sharp, energy calm, nighttime inside my palm. No noise, just intention. Every thought's no mention. If the truth too hard to say, let the rhythm lead the way. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibe stay true. Shadow move.
Shadow move, feel it deep. Slow grind, don't even speak when the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move.
Low, move silent. Drum top, no violence. Deep way, slow ride. Shadow on my side. Raindrops on the window frame. Same street, different game. Trusting like city, yeah. Only rhythm really there. From backstreet to main stage glow. Same code every we go. Eyes open, mouth closed tight. We survive by the night. No love for illusion, only real conclusions. If tomorrow feel unsure, tonight's sound keep me pure. Shadow move when the lights go low. Afrobeat in a darker tone. No face but the vibe stay true. Shadow move.
Shadow move, feel it deep. Slow grind, don't even speak when the bassline touch your soul. Shadow move.
Rolling Afrobeat bass.
Ain't no tribal percussion, drugs and textures, yeah. Echo guitar steps, like a girl talking through the drums. Ancient poles, where we from? The sound don't beg for light. It shine best in the night.
Every scar, every wind, written deep under the skin. If you know, then you know. This rhythm speaking code.
Heartbeat, bass align, lost sense of space and time. One step, shadow slide, darkness dancing by my side.
Shadow move worldwide, different city, same night. When the rhythm take control. Shadow move.
Shadow move, feel the weight, slow fire, heavy faith. Till when the drum hits that low tone. Shadow move.
Shadow. 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 Shadow.
Yeah. Shadow.
Shadow.
City lights, we outside tonight. Feel the bass when the sun goes down. From Lagos streets to London skies, this rhythm make the whole world turn around. Slow and let your body talk. No stress, let the worries fall. DJ spin that African sound. Heartbeat sync when the drum hit loud. Hands up, feel the heat now. Move close, don't slow down. This groove got no borders. One love, one sound. Afrobeat vibes only. We don't need no sleep. Move your way slowly. Let the rhythm speak. From the east side to the west coast stream. Afrobeat vibes only. Feel it in. Afrobeat vibes only. Feel it in your soul. Everywhere we go now, everybody know. When the night gets lonely, let the DJ play. Afrobeat vibes only till the break of day. Hey. Summer nights, party never ends. We dancing with strangers, turn to friends. Brown skin shining on the neon light. One song, one dance, one perfect night. No rush, let the moment flow. Heartbeat loud with the Afro glow. From New York clubs to UK town, this sound make the whole place shut down. Hands up, feel the heat now. Move close, don't slow down. This groove got no borders. one love, one sound. Afrobeat vibes only. We don't need no sleep. Move your waist slowly. Let the rhythm speak. From the east side to the west coast stream. Afrobeat vibes only. Feel the energy. Afrobeat vibes only. Feel it in your soul. Everywhere we go now, everybody know. When the night gets lonely, let the DJ play. Afrobeat vibes only to the break of day. Oh, feel the drum line calling. Feel the rhythm falling. No matter where you from tonight, we unite under African light. Afrobeat vibes only, turn it up loud. Feel the love moving through the crowd. No limit, no worry, no stress today. Afrobeat vibes only, we here to stay. Till the sun rise up in the morning, we keep dancing, no warning. Afrobeat vibes only. Na 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 na.
Easy now, let it breathe. Clock on the wall moving nervous, but we ain't in no race. Your shadow dancing slowly on the sweat upon your face. Every sound feels wider, every light feels low, like the night is holding us and don't wanna let us go. No need to hurry, love, we got nothing to prove. Every drum is saying stay right where you move. Don't let the night rush us, let the rhythm decide. Every beat between our bodies feels like truth, not pride. Don't let the night rush us, we got time in our hands. When your heartbeat finds the bass, I start to understand. Stay, stay, right here, slow. Your laughter slipping softly through the smoke and sound. Every doubt I brought inside is nowhere to be found. Your eyes telling stories I don't need to ask. Every step you take with me feels dangerously less than tomorrow's calling loud. Let it wait outside. We're still learning how to listen to the night inside. Don't let the night rush us, till the walls forget the time. Every drum is carving moments I don't wanna leave behind. Don't let the night rush us, let the morning stay asleep in the echo of your breathing is the promise that I keep. Don't rush, don't rush, stay slow, still is pour. Your hands heavy on my chest, like you know my name. Every love I never trusted feels a little ashamed. I was running from the quiet till you pulled me near. Now the silence feels like safety when I feel you here. If the sunrise finds us quiet, with the lights already on, I will still feel this rhythm long after you are gone. Let the world wake without us, let the city start its noise. I will keep this slow devotion in the echoes of your voice. Don't let the night rush us till the drums begin to fade. Every step we took together is a promise we have made. Don't let the night rush us. If this moment has to end, I was lost before this rhythm. Now I know just where I stand. Slow.
Midnight driving through the city glow. Radio low, let the feeling grow. Your silhouette under flashing light. One slow wine change the whole night. Bassline talking drums so clean. Every move looking cinematic scene. From Lagos to London rain. Same desire, different lane. No words, your body speak. Every touch got a frequency. If tomorrow don't exist tonight, let's live everything we like.
Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, I'm a late night Afro groove. Hold me close, let the D keep it low and slow, till the sunrise touch the room. Late night Afro groove.
Feel the motion, deep like the ocean. No emotion wasted, we don't fake it. Sweat on skin, summer heat. Barefoot dancing on concrete. Golden brown under neon signs. This vibe should be a crime. No crowd, just you and me. Lost inside the melody. Every beat say stay right here. Every drum remove the fear. No rush, we got all night. Let the groove control the time. If the world outside too loud, we turn the volume down.
Late night Afro groove, don't stop now. Slow motion when you break it down. Feel that rhythm in your spine. Late night Afro groove, with late night Afro groove. Hold me close, let the DJ keep it on slow, till the sunrise touch the room. Late night Afro groove.
Afrobeat bass rolling, beat layering gradually. Guitar riff looping hypnotically. DJ style filter drop rebuilt. Different cities, same desire. Different faces, same fire. When the drums say move your waist, everybody understand that phrase. No language, no explanation, just vibration, communication. If you feel it, you belong. This rhythm is your home.
A heartbeat matching the kick drum. Breathing deep, moving slow. Lights fade,
bodies close, only the groove control. Late night Afro groove, turn it loud, lost together in the crowd. No tomorrow, just a move. Late night Afro groove.